Hi guys, I wanted to come in and explain the pattern as we continue with this video. I made the parts before starting this video because I don't have a mirror close to me, so I decided to just make the parts and explain it to you guys. So I'm going to have a front section, which is this one here. So I sectioned my hair into two parts, the middle part and the back side. With the fringe or the front section, that's three sections. So I'm going to be using clip-ins so you guys understand the pattern better. So some of the twists are like folded in, that's where I'm going to apply the clip-in. So for the third section, which is the section at the back, I sectioned it into four. So there's three sections around the perimeter of and then one in the middle. The one in the middle is where I'm going to attach the clip-in. For the middle section, I also have like three parts around the perimeter, and then the one in the middle is where I'm going to attach the clip-ins. I didn't want to do flat twist on my hair. I didn't feel like doing or braiding it down. I didn't feel like doing any of those. So I just twisted it and tucked it within itself and just used the bobby pin to secure it. I currently have 6 clip-ins with me. I have 2 of the 3 clips clip-in and I have 4 of the 2 clips clip-in. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to probably put the 2 clip-ins below and then the 3 clip-ins in the middle section so we can see how that works. I want it to be a bit full because yeah, I kind of saw this inspiration on Pinterest. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out the twist. So this is what it's looking like. I'm going to brush it out a bit using this brush. I'm just going to brush it out just so I remove the curls because my hair is a bit, it looks stretched, but I didn't stretch it with heat. So this is what it looks like after brushing it out. I'm also going to brush another one. I'm going to attach the 2 clips clipping on the back section of my hair, and I'm going to put that into a bun. Before I start applying the clippings, I'm going to take my thread. It's just a normal sewing thread. I'm just going to make a 1 yard situation and double it into 3 or 4. You guys are going to see what I'm going to use the thread for. I don't know how to explain it, so just see it, okay? Now I'm going to attach the extensions on my head. So that's the 2 clips clipping. I think I'm going to attach 2 of them for this section. So now that I've attached the 2 clips, the clip-ins at the back section, I'm going to take out the leave out to cover up like the clip-in section, if that makes any sense. I'm just going to quickly detangle it a bit. Now I'm going to put that into a bun. So it's not going to be very tight, or it's just going to be firm. I'm not going to like strain my hair or anything. I'm also making sure I'm not pulling on the clip-ins because I don't want it to create strain on my hair. That's what so I'm just going to use this scrunchie to apply to make the bun. Oh, I want to acknowledge people with long natural hair. How do you do it? Just putting this tiny section into this bun, it seemed so stressful. How do you guys do this? How do you guys cope? Like, it's long. We all want long natural hair, but do you have what it takes to take care of the hair? So I'm going to take the 3 clips clipping. I'm going to quickly detangle it and brush it. So I'm going to take out all of the parts where I have the leave out, and I'm just going to separate or slightly finger detangle with my hands. And I'm going to take my comb and just, you know, stretch it out a bit. Now that I've taken out all of the leave out, I'm going to brush my hair and put the section into a bun. So I'm going to make sure everything is in a nice sleek bun. I'm also going to try not to pull on my hair as I make the bun because the clip-ins are there. I'm not trying to get a bald spot, no. So I have done the best I possibly could. I'm putting this in a bun, and I'm just going to brush my hair, like use this white tooth comb to brush my ends so it blends into the extension.
You are the air that I breathe. missing you. You are all that I need. You are the sun, a gift of light. You are the moon, my comfort at night. You are the water that keeps me alive. You are the ground on which I stand. Yes, you are. Wherever you go, I follow you there. Whatever you do, I'll be there for you. And I will be forever true, true to you. And I give it all. I give you my life. I give you my soul. And I know that you keep it safe. Forever, for all future days. Wherever you go, I follow you there. Whatever you do, I'll be there for you. And I will be forever true, true to you.
Hello guys, so this is the final result. This is what the hair is looking like. I absolutely love it. I think it's me stepping out of my comfort zone with this hairstyle, because usually I like to do something very simple, something not too out there, and I think for me this hairstyle is out there, because if I was to wear this hair and go out, I'm pretty sure it will gain some sort of attention, because it's just not the normal basic style. It's just different. It's simple but edgy, but still casual at the same time. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can dress it however you want to. I surprised myself. I'm proud of myself. This hairstyle was inspired by someone on Pinterest. I cannot really remember who it was, but a black girl with really long natural hair. She used her hair for the style, and she also did like twists in front, but I didn't want anything in front of my face. Whenever I have my natural hair, I just like my face being showing completely. I decided I was just going to do like flat twist, roll twist, and just tuck my hair there. I also tried to avoid the pin from showing. I don't know if you guys can see, you can only see the pin here. When I was tucking it in, I made sure it didn't come out on the hair. Hopefully it's not visible. And yeah, this style is absolutely gorgeous. It's feminine, it's laid back, but at the same time it's out there. I don't know, it's giving me different vibes and I love it. Anyways, if you have one of those gold things, if you want to be extra and you have one of those gold things, you can just tie it at the ends, but my extraness did not reach that level and I don't have any of those things. What do you guys think? Would you try it out? Will you go out with it? Where would you go to with this style? I think I can just go out casually with this style. I can just up and leave my house and be about my day. So I've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've not clicked the subscribe button and you like the hairstyles I give to you, and you come on my channel for hairstyle inspiration and you've still not clicked the subscribe button, say bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.